welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. And as you can see, it is so easy to change your pressure washer pump oil. And if you take a look at that, you can see there's a huge difference between the two. Now, my particular pump takes 120 milliliters. And what kind of oil do you use? Well, you use whatever they say in the instruction booklet. Mine is 30 weight non-detergent oil. And what I use is this one right here, and that's the same one I use for my air compressor, and it's worked out fine for me. So I'd like to just explain to you exactly how many hours do I have on this in between oil changes. Well, I'll tell you, the manufacturer says change oil every 100 hours or 1 year. I'm lucky to put 10 hours a year on this. And did you see how dark that oil was? I've been doing this for years and years and years. Before I start up in the season, ready to start power washing, I change the oil. And it makes a huge difference. When you take a look at the two differences in color there, you can obviously tell that this thing works hard. Now this one here is a 3000 PSI pressure washer, and like an air compressor, these pumps work real hard. I would say probably just as hard or harder than an air compressor, as you can tell sometimes when you're operating them. But it only takes like 5 minutes to change. A lot of people do not change their compressor oil, and of course they sell a lot of pressure washer pumps. So best thing to do, once a year, change it, because you can see what happens when you only have 10 hours on it. Okay, thank you very much for joining me here today. Hope you enjoyed this little bit of a video on a little bit of maintenance on your pressure washer. You guys come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. Cheers.